Hello, fellow explorers and travel enthusiasts. Today, we're embarking on a journey to some of the most hidden gems our world has to offer. Welcome to our channel, where we're about to uncover the 10 most beautiful but least visited countries in the world. From untouched landscapes to vibrant cultures, these countries might not be on everyone's radar, but they are true treasures waiting to be discovered. But before we set out on this adventure, make sure you're subscribed and have the notification bell turned on so you won't miss any of our upcoming travel explorations. Now, let's dive into the lesser-known corners of our planet. The country ranked at number 1 in our countdown is our top recommendation for your next travel destination. Stay tuned to find out more about this exquisite gem. Our topic today is the 10 most beautiful but least visited countries in the world. 10. Bhutan. Our journey begins in the Himalayan kingdom of Bhutan. Known for its stunning monasteries, breathtaking mountain vistas, and a commitment to gross national happiness over GDP, Bhutan offers a unique blend of natural beauty and cultural richness. Despite its allure, Bhutan's relatively strict tourism policies, which include high daily fees for travelers, have contributed to its lesser-visited status. 9. Comoros. Heading to the Indian Ocean, we have the Comoros Islands. Often referred to as the Perfume Islands, this unspoiled paradise boasts lush landscapes, pristine beaches, and a warm, welcoming atmosphere. Yet, limited international flights and infrastructure challenges have kept Comoros off the mainstream tourist map. 8. Suriname. Stepping into South America, we arrive in Suriname. A melting pot of cultures, this country offers dense rainforests, vibrant festivals, and the enchanting charm of Paramaribo, its capital. Suriname's remote location, along with the lack of extensive marketing, has contributed to its status as a hidden gem. 7. Kiribati. In the Pacific Ocean, we find the remote beauty of Kiribati. Comprising 33 atolls and reef islands, Kiribati is a paradise for divers, beach lovers, and those seeking a truly off-the-beaten-path adventure. Limited tourism infrastructure, along with the challenges of reaching this remote destination, have played a role in its low visitor numbers. 6. Lesotho. Nestled within South Africa, Lesotho is a mountain kingdom with rugged landscapes, traditional Basotho culture, and some of the highest altitude terrain in Africa. Its remote location and lesser-developed tourism infrastructure have contributed to its status as an underexplored destination. 5. Sao Tomei and Principe. Our fifth spot takes us to Sao Tomei and Principe, an island nation in the Gulf of Guinea. With its pristine beaches, lush rainforests, and colonial architecture, it's a hidden treasure waiting to be explored. Limited accessibility, lack of awareness, and relatively few international flights have kept this paradise off many travelers' radars. 4. Dominica. The Caribbean's hidden gem, Dominica, comes in at number 4. Known for its untouched rainforests, hot springs, and stunning underwater landscapes, this island offers a different kind of Caribbean experience. Dominica's limited infrastructure, as well as the prominence of other more developed Caribbean destinations, have kept it less frequented. 3. Tuvalu. From the Pacific, we head to Tuvalu, one of the world's smallest countries. With its turquoise waters, coral reefs, and unique Polynesian culture, it's a paradise that remains relatively undiscovered. Tuvalu's remote location, limited resources, and challenges in accessing the country have contributed to its low tourist numbers. 2. Moldova. In Eastern Europe, Moldova shines as a wine lover's haven. With its vineyard-covered hills, charming monasteries, and rich history, this country offers a fascinating blend of tradition and modernity. Moldova's limited marketing efforts and overshadowing by neighboring European destinations have played a role in its lesser-visited status. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment you've been waiting for has arrived. We are now unveiling the destination. 1. Sao Tomé and Principe. And finally, the top spot goes to Sao Tomé and Principe. Its pristine landscapes, diverse flora and fauna, and warm hospitality make it a hidden paradise worth exploring. Limited accessibility, lack of extensive tourist infrastructure, and a relatively lesser-known status compared to other African destinations have contributed to its exclusivity. And there you have it, fellow travelers, our journey through the 10 most beautiful but least visited countries in the world. Have you ever considered visiting these hidden gems? Or do they now inspire your future travel plans? Share your thoughts and dreams in the comments below. We will promptly respond to your comment. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more captivating travel content from around the globe. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep embracing the beauty our world has to offer. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable journey.